In this example, we will deal with harmonic motion. This is example number 1.82 of the textbook. A machine is suggested to a motion x as a function of time, a cosine of 50t plus alpha. And the initial conditions are x 0, 3 millimeters and velocity at 0, 1 meter over second. We want to find the constant a and the angle alpha. We also want to find the function x as a1 cosine of 50t plus a2 sine of 50t millimeters. So let's start with finding the constant a and alpha. So we have x function of time, a cosine of 50t plus alpha, and with the initial conditions, x at 0 is 3 millimeters or 0.003 meters, and x dot at 0 is equals to 1 meters over second. So let's derive our function, and we will derive it as a function of time and then evaluate it. So that's negative a 50 sine of 50t plus alpha, and now we will evaluate at 0. Give me a cosine of 50 times 0 plus alpha, that's equals to 0.003, and the velocity is equals to negative a times 50 sine of 50 times 0 plus alpha, that's equals to 1. So we have that gives us two equations, a cosine of alpha equals to 0.003 and a 50a sine of alpha equals to 1. If we divide these two equations, we can get, using the tangent, right, function, we got the alpha is the inverse tangent of 1 over 50 times 0.003. That gives me an angle of negative 1.42 radians or negative 81.47 degrees. With that angle, we can also find very easily a. Using any of the two equations above, we can get a. Let's use this one, 0.003 over cosine give me that a is equals to 0.0020 meters, which we can convert to millimeters. That's 20.22 millimeters. So let's find a b. We will expand using our trigonometric identity. Cosine of 50t, cosine of alpha, negative sine of 50t, sine of alpha. So that can be written as a cosine of alpha times cosine of 50t minus a sine of alpha sine of 50t. This becomes a1, this becomes a2. Since we already have a and alpha, finding a cosine of alpha is very easy. So this is 22 cosine of 81.7, and a1 it gives me 3 millimeters, and a2 is 20.22 sine of negative 81.47, and that's equals to negative 20 millimeters. Therefore, the result is that the function respect to time will be 3 cosine of 50t plus 20 sine of 50t. And all that in millimeters.